It's Weather Experiment Wednesday. As always, we're here at Discovery Lab, and today joining us, along with meteorologist Michaela Smith, is Cameron Cox, the exhibit facilitator. And with the goggles on, you know we're doing something a little bit interesting, and it involves fire today. Cameron, explain what we have here and how we're getting this circular flow in the flame.
All right, so we have our tabletop burner here. It just has biofuel in it. The most efficient way to allow heat to rise is by having it, of course, rise and go right out the top. What we're doing here is it's ventilated on the sides, so it's able to create a vortex effect because of those convection currents moving up.
Yeah, and that's what we find in the atmosphere. It's how we get tornadoes, cyclones, just an efficient way for air to move. But we're going to add another dimension to this, and Michaela here has some of these salt granules. Explain what we're going to do.
So these are our metal salts. So a lot of metals and a variety of different chemicals throughout Earth and space and whatnot, they actually have their own signature. So when they're heated, superheated, they're actually able to give off a specific color photon depending on the metal that is burning. That's the signature of that metal.
And what's the one here?
So this one is going to be copper, and that's where you're getting that green coloration from because it is a salt, it has oxidized and turned green as copper does.
All right, here's the next one.
Right, so this one is our sodium chloride. This one is literally just going to turn it an orange-yellow color, more familiar to the fire that we know as just regular fire.
And the final one?
And then this one is going to be our lithium salt. This one will turn it a deep red or even a hot pink color.
Oh, brilliant. And finally, we've got a mix of this all, and this will create a bit of a rainbow effect from what you were saying.
Yeah, so this lab is considered our rainbow fire lab for obvious reasons, but we do have a variety of other salts that we encourage everyone to come in and test out just to be able to kind of see what's going on as far as what happens when each metal burns or how they react once they're mixed together.
And you were saying this is the same science and how we determine how stars and what their composition is and even what fireworks using the same type of science here. And this is all part of the fire and ice exhibit going on through much of the winter. So if you want to see other cool exhibits that relate to heat and the cold, come right out to Discovery Lab. That's it. Back to you.